Hello everybody, I finally got the actual package. If you didn't see part 1, go back to part 1 because it's hilarious. But, alright, here we go. Okay, this is the package. Try to hold it in my knees. Oh. You guys can't see this, I'm so sorry. There it is right in there. Here it is. Got a box in here so I can send the other areas back that I got to the right people. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, right here. Can you open it for me? Oh, right here. There we go. Oh, there it is. Look at my awesome string. That's 100 string strings right there. And JoJo. Here's the area. Right here. There it is. Dark Magic. Pick this thing up. Oh, I've been wanting this area for so long.